Meaning of fisticuffs.
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 Fisticuffs. Fisticuffs refers to a physical altercation in which punches are thrown. The term comes from the word fist, which means hand with the fingers curled inward. Fisticuffs typically occur when two individuals become embroiled in a heated argument or disagreement that escalates to physical violence. The result of fisticuffs can vary widely, ranging from minor injuries to more serious harm. In general, engaging in fisticuffs is not a productive or constructive way to resolve conflicts, and it should be avoided whenever possible.